All right. Do what? What?
You ain't gonna show who's doing this, the queen of Shimmer? It didn't come apart?
She said it's a mobile home. A little bit more. Now that's a well-built machine, or a well-built building right there. More.
I'll pull all the way back to Putnam County.
Keep going. A little bit more. It's all done by a girl. She's a home wrecker.
It stayed in one
Well,
piece.
tell me how you feel about wrecking a home like that.
I feel good.
Do you?
Yeah.
Wish there was more.
Feeling. It stayed in one piece.
That's what I said. That's a good built good.
You don't build them like that anymore.
I sure don't.
That's a good old girl right there.
Hey, there's my shoe brush.
Now we can finish the back of this house.
Oh, look, she bent the roof. Good gravy. That's gonna be a leak.